Hello, my amazing friends, and welcome back to another magical adventure here at QA Wizards. Today, we're stepping into a super secret kitchen for the Great AI Chef Showdown. It's gonna be so much fun.
That's right, get your thinking aprons on, because we are about to meet two amazing computer brains. They act like super chefs for artificial intelligence, cooking up all the wonderful AI magic we see in the world. Ready to meet them? Let's go! So here's what's on the menu today. First, we'll say hello to the AI kitchen. Then we'll meet our amazing chefs, Gigi and Turbo. We'll see how they cook, find out when to pick which chef, watch them in a story, and then a fun quiz to see if you're a pro chef too. All right, it's time to meet the stars of our show. These are the amazing brains behind the magic. They're actually special computer chips. Let's give a big welcome to Chef Gigi, who is a GPU, and Chef Turbo, who is a TPU. Okay, check this out. On one side, we have Chef Gigi. She's the creative master chef. Think of her like a chef who can do everything. Bake yummy cakes, make awesome video games, and even help with big science projects. Her superpower is being super flexible. And on the other side is Chef Turbo. He's the super fast specialist. He's a world champion making just one thing, but he does it faster than anyone. Imagine he only makes perfect language cookies, but he makes millions of them in the blink of an eye. His superpower is incredible speed. Okay, to help us remember, it's time for our first memory lock. Sparky, come on out. Let's start with Chef Gigi. The rhyme is, Gigi can do it all, big or small. Now do the hand move with me. Open your arms super wide. That's it. Let's say it out loud. Chef Gigi is for flexibility. Woohoo! Now for Chef Turbo. Sparky, you ready? His rhyme is, Turbo's the master of one and gets it done with speed and fun. Okay, for his move, make a super fast circle with your finger. Go, go, go. Perfect. Now shout it with me. Chef Turbo is for super speed. Awesome job! Now that we've met our amazing chefs, let's see how they actually cook with AI. We're going to go into the kitchen and place a big order with our super fast Chef Turbo using a real cookbook app. This is going to be so cool. It's really simple, just like magic. First, you have a huge idea. Like, what if you wanted to translate every single book from your school library into 100 different languages? Wow! So, step 2, you open the special TensorFlow cookbook, which is an app on the computer. Step 3, you just tell Chef Turbo, make it happen. And then, magic! Chef Turbo starts cooking super duper fast. And the result? A perfectly translated library, all ready for you to read. Isn't that amazing? So, we have two incredible chefs, but how do you know which one to pick for your project? Well, it's all about matching the right chef to the right recipe. You wouldn't use a tiny spoon to eat a big bowl of soup, right? You gotta pick the right tool for the job. This awesome menu makes it super clear. You should order from Chef Gigi if you need to make lots of different things, like a video game, a piece of art, or a science project. She can also use any cookbook you want. But you should order from Chef Turbo if you need to make one huge thing, like teaching a computer a whole new language, and you need it done super fast. He really likes to use his special TensorFlow cookbook in Google's giant kitchen in the cloud. So just remember, Gigi is for lots of different things, and Turbo is for one giant thing really fast. Okay, are you ready for a story? It's story time. Let's see our chefs in action in a tale of two tasks. We're going to meet two friends, Maya and Leo, who have two very different, super exciting AI projects. First up is Maya. She's creating a brand new video game with incredible graphics and cool characters. Wow, she needs a chef who can do a little bit of everything. So who do you think she calls? You got it, she calls Chef Gigi. Next is Leo. Leo wants to translate every single book in the school library into 100 languages, like right now. He needs a chef with super speed for one giant job. So who's he gonna call? Of course, he calls Chef Turbo. All right, kitchen wizards, you've been doing great, but are you ready for a pop quiz? It's time to test your knowledge. Don't worry, our little friend Sparky the robot puppy is here to help reveal the answers. Okay, question number 1. You want to create a totally new kind of AI art that no one has ever seen before. Which chef do you pick? Let's think. A brand new, creative job needs someone who is super flexible and can try new things, right? So the answer is Chef Gigi. Yay! Great job. Here's the next question. Your job is to power a giant search engine that answers millions of questions every minute. Whoa. Which chef is right for that job? Okay, millions of questions is a huge language job that has to be done with incredible speed. So who are we going to call? You're right, it's Chef Turbo.
You guys are absolute geniuses. You passed the quiz. Our friend Sparky has a super summary just to help us remember. First, Chef Gigi is your flexible friend for lots of different creative jobs. Second, Chef Turbo is your super speedy specialist for giant language jobs. And third, choosing the right chef is what makes your AI project a big success.
And before we go, I have one more super cool fun fact for you. Are you ready for this? For his special recipes, like teaching computers new languages, Chef Turbo can be up to 4 times faster than other chefs. 4 times. That's like getting your homework done in 15 minutes instead of a whole hour. How cool is that?
Congratulations, everyone. You did it. You made it through the Great AI Chef Showdown, and you are now an official AI kitchen wizard. You learned all about Chef Gigi and Chef Turbo, and that is just so awesome. I had so much fun with you today, and I absolutely can't wait for you to join me for our next amazing learning adventure right here at QA AI Wizards. Bye for now.